how to add HTML or embed code to your Wix website in just a few easy steps. This is super useful if you want to add content from other sites like Canva, YouTube, Google Reviews, or Calendly directly into your Wix page. First, go to your Wix website editor and open the page where you want to add the code. On the left-hand side, click Add Elements. After that, scroll down and select Embed Code. Under that menu, click Embed HTML. Once you do, a box will appear on your page. Now, click Add to Site to place it where you want. Next, paste the HTML or embed code from your preferred site, for example, your Canva design, YouTube video, or Google Reviews widget, into the box. After you've pasted the code, click Apply or Update. Your embedded content will instantly appear on your page, and you can move or resize it to fit your layout perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully added HTML or embed code to your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.